Welcome to Any Connector Audio Insights, where operations meet intelligence. This is Olivia Bennett. Today, we're talking about a common misconception in modern integration. Many businesses believe that once data successfully moves from one system to another, the job is done. But in reality, that's often where the real work begins. Because synchronized data doesn't automatically create business outcomes. Let's get started. For years, integration success was measured with a simple question: did the data get there? If customer records synced, employee information moved into payroll, inventory updates reached the right application, and reports refreshed on time, everyone considered the integration successful. And to be fair, synchronization is still important. Without it, teams are stuck reconciling spreadsheets, chasing updates, and making decisions based on incomplete information. But modern businesses have evolved. Today, organizations rely on cloud applications, APIs, automation platforms, analytics tools, and dozens of specialized systems. In that environment, moving information is no longer the finish line. It's just the starting point. Let's take a simple example. A new employee joins the company. The employee record syncs from HR into payroll. It appears in scheduling. Access is created in communication tools. From a data perspective, everything looks perfect. But what happens next? Does the manager get notified? Are training tasks assigned? Has payroll been verified? Are permissions granted? If those steps still depend on someone remembering what to do, then the process isn't truly connected. The data moved, the work didn't. And that's the gap many organizations experience every day. Their systems are connected. Their workflows are not. One of the biggest hidden costs in business isn't bad data. It's manual follow-up, employees monitoring queues, chasing approvals, fixing exceptions, validating reports, copying information into secondary systems. Individually, each task might take only a few minutes. But multiply those minutes across teams, departments, and locations, and the cost becomes significant. And it's not just about efficiency. Every manual handoff introduces risk: a missed notification, a delayed approval, an overlooked exception. The problem usually isn't a lack of information. The problem is a lack of automation around that information. This is where workflow orchestration changes everything. Synchronization makes data available. Orchestration makes the business move. Imagine a customer places an order. In a synchronized environment, the order data is updated across systems. In an orchestrated environment, that same event can automatically update inventory, notify fulfillment, generate an invoice, refresh dashboards, alert the customer, and escalate issues if something goes wrong. No manual intervention, no waiting, no guesswork. The business responds automatically because the workflow understands what should happen next. That's the difference between moving data and creating momentum. The next generation of integration isn't asking, can these systems exchange information? It's asking, can these systems work together to achieve a business outcome? Can customer issues trigger support workflows automatically? Can staffing changes update downstream systems without manual follow-up? Can finance exceptions reach the right approver before they delay closing? These are business questions, not technical questions. And that's why integration is becoming a strategic capability. Because agility isn't just seeing information faster, it's acting on that information faster. The organizations that gain an advantage won't be the ones with the most systems. They'll be the ones whose systems work together most effectively. At Any Connector, we believe integration should do more than move data. It should reduce manual effort, improve consistency, and help businesses operate with greater speed and confidence. Because synchronization is the foundation, but orchestration is what turns connected systems into connected operations. Thanks for listening to Any Connector Audio Insights. Stay sharp, stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one. This is your host, Olivia Bennett.